Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create an informal flare in VISSIM. Normally there is no additional space when a left turning car waits for a gap in opposing direction to make a left turn, and it will block the intersection and the through traffic should wait behind it. You can see I have a T intersection. At first, let's see what will happen if we don't have any informal flares. You can see it will block the through traffic, and there will be a queue behind it. If we can have an additional lane or a space of at least 18 feet, the through traffic car can easily pass the waiting left turning car. In this network, everything is the same as the first network I showed you. Instead, we have a 2-lane link here instead of 1-lane link, and we have to change some settings in VISSIM in order to have the informal flare effect. Now I didn't change anything. Let's see if I don't change anything, what will happen. The reason that the true car don't use the right lane is that settings in VISSIM is like that they cannot see the connector if they change their lane, and they will lose their path if they go to the right lane. The setting for that is in the connector settings. When I double click on the connector, I have to double click on the exit connector because they have to see the exit connector. When the connector property window will open, on the bottom we have a tab named lane change. Here we have a lane change distance, and the default value is 656 feet. It means that they have to have at least 656.2 feet to recognize the connector and change their lane to be in their correct path. I can change this value, and the minimum acceptable value in the software is 33 feet. But be careful, if you choose a very small value, it might be so small, and because of the speed of the vehicle, they don't have enough reaction time, and they cannot change their lane in the time, and they will disappear in the network. So I don't want to use the smallest value. I used 50 feet and click OK. In order to have that number, we have to have a long enough 2-lane link between the two through lane in the intersection area. When I run the simulation, you can see cars pass the left turning car, and there is no blockage, there is no line queue. Now we have several left turning car, and everything goes to normal. That was the way we can create informal flare in VISSIM.